Hey everybody, just want to do a quick video here on my KLX 230R. I took a spill on it and messed up the handlebars. So I got the Pro Taper SE Carmichael bend. I chose that one because I felt like it was closest to the stock. But yeah, they're pretty great so far. It was fairly easy to change out. Everything just bolts on. But this is made from aluminum, high grade aluminum. The thing that I really like about it is they're really hard to scratch. So if you take a look at these are the stock handlebars. You can see it's a little bent from when I wrecked, but I mean they just get scratched up like crazy, and definitely not as strong as the aluminum ones. But these bars are very similar to the stock layout, which was what I was looking for. But they're a lot stronger. The black, in my opinion, looks way better. So these are the SE, the 7/8. It was a little bit challenging getting the mounts on. You can see here I just used the stock mounts. I couldn't find anything that fit SE, so I just used the stock ones. They seem to be working just fine. It was a little hard, like I said, getting the bolts in there with this pad on here, and this doesn't remove. So this case does, but the foam doesn't. I would have had to cut it, but it worked out. I got it on there good. But yeah, overall enjoying them. I think they're way better than the stock. I think they were only like $65, so totally worth it.